The demand of concierge service is increasing rapidly. While the industry suffered a major setback due to COVID outbreak, it's recovering at a great pace as the conditions are getting back to normal. Do you know the global market of Concierge app will reach $773.3 million by 2025? But do you know what are concierge apps and how do they work? Well, a concierge app is like a person assistant app majorly for the travel and hospitality sector that allows customers to make reservations and access all the information they need. It allows customers to make room, flight, restaurant booking, find information related to their favorite activities, get direction to different venues, and do much more related stuff. Are you planning to launch your own branded concierge app? Brew presents advanced on-demand concierge app development solution to launch, run, and grow your concierge business online.